My name is Yoshi. I'm fourth generation sushi chef. My great-grandfather opened the sushi restaurant. Now I'm taking over my family job. I've been to London for making sushi for royal family members. I was so surprised because it's very rich taste, it's very clear and soft. The balance of fatty part and red part that looks great. Same as a tuna. Sirloin, it's usually too heavy, but sirloin in Fukushima Wagyu, it's very clear, it's special. I'm serving it in different way, like aしゃぶしゃぶ style and grill style. Each style has different taste, different matching. We can enjoy a lot of variety. I feel a lot of potential.
JA グループ福島肉牛振興協議会上野博之と言います。福島牛は県内で使用生産された黒毛和牛です。福島はお米の産地なので、お米を作る時にできる茎と葉の部分、良質な素子量を与えるようにしました。美味しい水を与えることによって赤身とサシのバランスが良く、綺麗な色のお肉ができます。一つの牛に少ない頭数を入れて広々とした環境、新鮮な餌が食べられるように、朝晩残っている餌は全て掃除をして新しい餌を食べさせるようにしています。何より一番大切にしているのは、牛たちに愛情を持って接し、こまめに観察することです。美味しい福島牛、ぜひ食べていただきたいと思います。
Actually, the Fukushima is a very big area. We enjoy all seasons. And snow is good because I enjoy skiing over there. And also food is good. Tasty food and good fish. If you have time, I would recommend you to go to the Fukushima Prefecture. Fukushima is one of my favorite places in Japan.
It was amazing. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Delicious Fukushima Wagyu.
Delicious 福島和牛。